Welcome back, kids, to more Art with Mr. Main. And today, wait, what's that behind me? Looks like a circle. Weird. Well, guess what? Today we are going to be doing an awesome truck together. This circle is going to be used to make shapes, and it's going to help us to make shapes for our tires. And this video is more for our younger artists, a little bit more simpler, but anyone can try it. And it should be pretty awesome and fun. So let's get right into it. Remember to pause the video and send me your photos after we get done with the truck drawing. All right, so you don't have to use something for circles, but if you do, it makes it a little bit easier. You can also freehand these. This is just a cap I have to a spray paint can. And we're going to start with 2 circles. There we go. Nice and neat. Sometimes having things to trace really helps your drawings look nicer because they're perfectly symmetrical. We'll touch those up later. All right, now for our truck, we're going to add the inside of our wheels. Like that. And then we're going to make the tread. The tread is kind of like the grips. And there's going to be little rectangles. This truck can go muddin', can go up the off-road, all that cool stuff. Could even be a monster truck if you wanted to change it. Take your time and just have fun with it. Art's not a race. I tell my kids that all the time in my class. Maybe you remember, I usually say the person who's done last is usually the best because they took their time. And it's filled with detail. All right, there's our tires. We're going to connect them with a line here. And this is going to be the front, and this is the back. So we need more room over here. The back is going to continue this line about there. Then vertical line. Like that. And then it's going to come back horizontal. A lot of times I like to put anchor points to help us. So we're going to put a point kind of like here in between, maybe a little bit to the left. Let's connect that. I'm going to darken it a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to do a vertical line here, and then we're going to come across and a slant. This is gonna be like for the windshield. Okay. We're gonna go to about here, maybe a little more. Then we're gonna go diagonal. We want this to go to about where this would be. Sorry if you hear the kids in the background. All part of drawing at home. Here's our diagonal line. And then here's the hood. And this is going to come down and back. Something like that. Okay. Now, to make the windshield here, because they're going to have 2 windows. This is a side window. Here's the windshield. We are going to draw a line down and across, because this is the windshield. And then we're going to put a square in here. this is going to be where the door is. And we're making this simple for our young artists. This is going to be the door handle. Okay. In the front, we're going to have our headlight. We're going to put our grill. Our grill is the front lower part where the air goes through. Put a bunch of crisscross lines here. Like that. And to make this truck super awesome, we're going to put the smokestacks back here that come up like that. Check that out. There's usually 2 of them. So we're going to make this kind of, we'll simplify it actually. Just do 2 right next to each other. Instead of making it overlap, we're going to keep it easy. Keep it easy today. In the back, we're going to put the exhaust, and we're going to have the exhaust actually come down and behind, like that. And you can make this super awesome by adding other details to it with color and things like that. And to make this even cooler, I'm going to add some flames to it. Kids always ask me to add flames to their cars. This is kind of hard, kind of tricky, but just try it. We're going to do flames in the front here. Check this out. Whoa. Sweet, Mr. Main. Now my truck is super fast. Like that. Awesome, right? You can even draw people in here, the driver if you want. The smoke coming out. Let's add smoke real quick. Right? Yeah. Awesome, right? Okay. So we're going to stop there because I'm almost at 8 minutes. I hope you liked our awesome truck video. Remember to send me what you got. And I hope you liked it. I will see you next time for our next drawing video. Take care.